Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nothing Phone 1, and in this video we would like to show the top 5 tips and features on this device. Alrighty, so the first one is the fact that you can use your fingerprint at the screen lock and unlock method. Therefore, let's go ahead and open up the settings and go into the security category. In here you can see the device security section contains the fingerprint option feature that you want to tap on and open. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking your screen, should it be finger or face, it is required that you have the backup screen lock method as well. You can choose from the list of pattern, pin or password. I'll personally go with pattern. Draw the pattern that I would like to use, click on the next button, confirm it, and after that I'll be able to start enrolling the fingerprint. So the sensor is located right here at the bottom part of your display. So simply lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate it each time you lay it onto the scanner in order for the inside surface of your finger to be correctly scanned. Alrighty, so the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. Let's test it out. As you can see, it unlocks the screen without any issues at all. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature that we would like to show you in this video. That is another biometrical way of unlocking your screen. That is called face unlock or face recognition. Let's set it up as well. All that needs to be done is to keep your face inside the circle and get it scanned, which I'll do off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so I have successfully enrolled my face as well. Let's test this feature out. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all once I align the selfie camera of this device with my face. Just like so. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move on to the next feature that is located at the display category of settings, and it's called the smooth display. So this toggle allows you to switch between 60 and 120 Hz as per the screen refresh rate values. So the higher values of display refresh rate gets you smoother and silkier animations and overall interface and visual experience, while lower value of 60 Hz will conserve and significantly increase the battery usage. So if you would like to preserve some battery, you can turn this toggle off. If your battery health is currently sufficient, you can go ahead and crank the screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz as per value. Alrighty, let's move on to the next tip that we would like to show you in this video. It is located at the system category of settings. Gestures section that you would like to head straight for, and in here go for the system navigation. There are two values, or should I say two options to choose from: gesture navigation and 3-button navigation. So once at the 3-button navigations, you'll get these 3 digital buttons that you can navigate through your device with, just like so. Whilst this gesture navigation will make it so that in order for you to navigate through the smartphone, you'll use the gestures like I'm doing right now. Alrighty, so moving on to the 5th and final tip for this video, a very small one. It is located at the battery category of settings, and this little toggle that is called battery percentage. As you can see currently at the status bar of my phone, the battery icon does not show the exact amount of percents that are left as per the battery health. Once you turn it on, as you can see, it will show the exact amount of battery that we have left, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.